Good morning, students. Welcome to our class From Home to Home. This is the second and the last part of the lesson, Story of Amrita. This lesson tells you a real story of a girl named Amrita from Khejarli village in Jodhpur district, Rajasthan. The story was told in the first video. So now we know that Amrita was from Khejarli village and came from Vishnoi sect, who are the followers of Jambaji. So let's begin. Look at the picture. It tells the situation of a village in desert long ago. Animals are malnourished and dying. Not many trees are seen there. The only tree there is dying too, and women have to go to far off places to fetch water. Wells have dried up, no plants in sight, and people are hungry. So this is the village of Bishnois, Khejarli, more than 300 years ago. It is situated in Rajasthan near Jodhpur. What happened next will amaze you. Their leader Jambaji decided to plant trees and started to take care of them because he understood the importance of trees and animals. If trees are there, we will have rains. As a result, underground water will be recharged and we will enjoy cool climate. There are many more benefits of trees besides having fruits, medicines and wood. Bishnoi's leader Jambaji said, अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. पेड़ और जानवर हमारे बिना रह सकते हैं, लेकिन हम उनके बिना नहीं रह सकते. So the people followed Jambaji's advice and they were called Bishnois. They planted trees and took care of them. In this picture, you can see a village full of trees and animals. Trees are everywhere. You can see many animals roaming fearlessly. Women have the water source nearby. They have enough food and water thanks to trees. People are happy and healthy. So this is all about Bishnoi Samaj. They are environmentalists. They are the protector of the Mother Nature. In recent times, you may have heard about a famous actor going to jail for killing a black buck in Rajasthan. It was the Bishnoi Samaj who raised their voice against the actor for killing the black buck. So let me tell you something about hunting. Hunting is banned by the Government of India under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So let's take inspiration from Bishnois and become the protector of Mother Nature. We should plant trees, take care of them and become their friends. Let me tell you how Khejarli village got its name. It got its name due to khejuri tree that grow here in abundance. A postal stamp was dedicated to this tree. This is how important this tree is. It is very useful tree. This tree is mostly found in desert. It is the state tree of Rajasthan, a state symbol. So something about khejuri tree. It is mainly found in desert. It can grow without much water. Its bark is used for making medicine. People cook and eat its fruit, which is beans. Its wood is not affected by insects. Animals eat its leaves. It provides cool shade in hot summer days. Now, after telling you about Bishnoi Samaj and their Guruji Jambaji, tell me, why should we save trees, plant them, protect them, and nurture them? Just let me give you some points to ponder over. Amid lockdown, you must be listening the news of animals roaming free in cities. Here are some pictures of wild animals roaming in the cities. Air has become so clear that even the mountains ranges are visible from far off cities. And all of this is due to limited human activities, which is due to lockdown. Human activities have barely affected the plant kingdom. We are cutting acres and acres of forests, and it is greatly harming our environment. Our existence is based on trees. Let's find out the importance of trees. Trees give us oxygen. Trees help us in controlling pollution. Trees help us in bringing rain. As a result of rain, our underground water is recharged. They keep our climate cool. They stop the growth of desert. They give shelter to birds and animals. They give us food, medicines, and many other things. So let's pledge to save trees and animals and protect our environment. That's all for now. I hope lesson was interesting. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.